Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be installing some new headlight bulbs for my mom's car. It's a 2008 Honda Accord. This will go for 08 through 2012, I believe. It'll be the same process for all those years makes. We're going to put some LED bulbs in. This is right now she's got the halogen in them, so we're going to switch them out. Stay tuned. This is what they look like before, and I'll do an after as well. Alright, the first step is you don't actually need to lift the vehicle. Turn the tire to the direction of which you're changing the bulb out of, and then if you come down in here, let's see if I can get the flash on here. Then you're going to want to take out the splash guard, just part of it, which you're going to need a flat blade for. These just pop out. That one and that one. And I believe there's 3 on the bottom, and I can show you where they're at. There's actually a total of 4 on the bottom. One is right there at the very side. There's one right at the front. And then there's 2 more that are really close together. And they're right there and right there. And once you have those 4 at the bottom, this comes pretty loose. And you can get back in there. And the bulb is just right up here. And the bulb is right there. We'll just unplug that connector and turn the bulb counterclockwise. Get our new LED, plug it in, test it before we button it back up, and that's it, you're done. Alright, mine did come with a LED anti-flicker resistor. It did come with double-sided tape, so I just taped it straight to the metal here, secured it. But it's as easy as unplugging this clip, plugging the LED in. Whoop. Focus here. And then turning the bulb into the housing. I mean, you just counterclockwise for the old one and then clockwise for the new one. It just twists right in there. There's 3 little tabs, and you just line those tabs up and then tighten it up. Here's the LED in the left and the halogen in the right. Big difference. The color is a little bit whiter versus the yellow, so it is a little bit brighter as well. Pretty nice. So she'll be able to see a lot better now. Alright, this is the end result. I do have to adjust the driver's side just a hair. It is a little bit too high. Other than that, though, looks pretty good, and they are definitely way brighter. Just gotta adjust that driver's side just a hair down. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.